Hello friends, good morning everyone. I hope you all are good and staying happy. Friends, have you seen such a box? Very good. This is the mailbox. Good. So friends, today we are going to enjoy the poem What's in the Mailbox. Before we start the poem, I would like to ask you one question to all my friends. Have you ever received a letter? No. Okay, let us see this poem. Before we start the poem, let us discuss some new words so you can easily understand the poem. Okay, I have written all the new words in the notebook and also written sentences for your better understanding. Let us see the first one. Later. Later means a printed communication. I have also written sentence. Let's see. I get letters from my relatives. Our second word is always. Always means at all times. Sentence is I always do my homework on time. Third one is at no never. Never means at no time. A sentence is I never lie to my parents. Our fourth word is though means but. Sentence is I passed in exam though not scored much. So friends, here we have discussed the words in the poem which are later, always, never, though. Okay. Now, before we understand the poem, let me recite the poem. Please listen it very carefully, then we will move on to understand the poem. Okay. Most always, when the postman comes with letters, 2 or 3, there are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I'm going to write some letters though. That's what I'm going to do. And then my friends will answer me and I'll get letters too. Let us understand the poem. Most always, when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. So friends, in the first stanza, a young girl says the postman visiting her house, often bringing 2 or 3 letters for her mother and father regularly, but none for her. Let us see what she decided to do. I'm going to write some letters though. That's what I'm going to do. And then my friends will answer me and I'll get letter too. So, friends, here a young girl makes up her mind to write some letters to her friends with the hope of receiving letters from them in return. She intends to express her thoughts and emotion by communicating them through a letter and accepts a small sweet reply in return from the recipient. Okay, this is the very wonderful poem about a young girl who want to receive a letter from her friends. So he decided to write a letter to her friends. Okay. So friends, I hope you all have understood the poem very well. Let us move on the question answer portion.